Sa naman ng ilang mga Pilipino sa Oakland, California kahapon para ipaglaban ang karapatan ng kanilang mga pasyente. Romel Clara nag-uulat.
Who has the power? We have the power. What kind of power?
Kababayans joined about 300 nurses and union representatives who gathered in front of the California Nurses Association building to slam their employer, Kaiser Permanente, of dismissing the importance of patient care, which is alarming, they say, because Kaiser is the largest health insurer and hospital system in California.
We had a rally today. We were supposed to have bargaining, but our employer failed to show up, so we went to them instead. So we rallied over at their offices and let them know that we were there and what our purpose was to be there.
The nurses say that despite the $1.1 billion increase in Kaiser profits for the first quarter of 2014, Kaiser still allows chronic understaffing and continues to cut patient services. Those cuts include hospital admission restrictions, holding patients in observation for over 72 hours, and prematurely sending patients from Kaiser hospitals to other settings that include homes where the burden of providing care falls on the families. Even nurses from Southern California made the trip up north to join the efforts in protecting their patients.
We came up here to support our nurses up north because we're all one company. We're all here for the care of our patients, and we want everybody to know that we're united on this.
We as nurses are the voice of our patient. So being the voice of our patient, we want better care for them, and Kaiser is starting to cut back on all the services.
Many Pinoy nurses here say they take their profession seriously, and it means being the best nurses they can be.
A lot of the nurses were sent by their parents and have sacrificed so much to sell everything they have to send their children to school to be nurses, to be here, to better their lives.
Believe in America has reached out to Kaiser to respond to these allegations. In an email, Kaiser says the reason why they didn't meet with the nurses is because they did not agree on a neutral location. Kaiser also says it is ready to come to the bargaining table with the nurses, and it is confident that both parties will have a meaningful dialogue. But for now, these protesters have a clear message for Kaiser.
I want you to obey what the nurses are saying. We are for our patients, and that is the best way that we can do this. If you follow what's in your heart, not the pocket, but what is in your heart is always patients first.
We're Malcolm Clara, ABS-CBN News, Oakland, California.